What I was particularly pleased with was to hear the Vice President Biden talk of Aruba's leadership under Prime Minister Eman in shifting towards renewables and moving to a low-carbon economy. That is the future, and I'm glad to see that other countries that attended this summit were actively talking to Prime Minister Eman in terms of learning a lot more about the experience and seeing how they could cooperate and learn from each other.
I think Prime Minister Eman and his government have proven one thing, that they are committed politically to making this transition to renewable energy. And there's a whole strategy behind that to be able to make a sustainable Aruba and indeed have leadership throughout the Caribbean, and I really think throughout the world, to show how you go from a fossil fuel dependency to a renewable energy that's affordable, reliable, and not only helps in the energy field, but helps bring sustainability throughout the society so that there's a real building of a resilient community within Aruba. And I think that lesson is very important for all of the world to know. So there's an intrinsic support to the people of Aruba directly, and then there's a lesson to the larger leadership of the world that this not only should be done, but it can be done both for cheaper and cleaner energy and to avoid the catastrophes of climate change.
This is an opportunity to reset the relationship between the United States and the Caribbean, and it's also an opportunity for the Caribbean to reset its own economic growth based on energy that is cheaper, safer, renewable, and of which they have in abundance. So it does make a tremendous amount of sense for the U.S. to be supportive of these initiatives, which, however, have to be homegrown and have to come out of the region as a necessity, as their plans that we can then fully support.